Organizing and organizational design. Organizing is a fundamental management function that involves arranging resources and tasks to achieve organizational goals. Effective organizing leads to a structured approach that enhances efficiency and effectiveness. This lesson will cover the key elements of organizing, various organizational structures, factors affecting organizational design, and the importance of effective organizing. Key elements of organizing. The key elements of organizing encompass several components that contribute to a well-structured organization. Work specialization. This involves dividing tasks into smaller, specialized roles to improve efficiency. High specialization can lead to increased productivity, but may also result in employee burnout if not managed properly. Departmentation. This refers to how tasks are grouped together. Common methods include functional, divisional, and matrix structures, each with its advantages and challenges. Chain of command. This establishes the hierarchy within an organization, defining who reports to whom. A clear chain of command helps in maintaining order and accountability. Span of control. This indicates the number of subordinates a manager oversees. A wider span can lead to less direct supervision, while a narrower span allows for more hands-on management. Centralization versus decentralization. Centralized organizations have decision-making concentrated at the top levels, while decentralized organizations distribute authority among various levels. Each approach has implications for agility and responsiveness. Organizational structures. Organizational structure is critical in determining how activities are directed to achieve goals. The main types include functional structure. Groups employees based on their functions. Example, marketing, finance. This structure promotes specialization, but can lead to silos between departments. Divisional structure organizes departments around products or geographical locations. This allows for flexibility but may duplicate resources across divisions. Matrix structure combines functional and divisional structures, creating dual reporting relationships. While it promotes collaboration, it can also create confusion regarding authority. Flat structure reduces layers of management, encouraging employee autonomy and faster decision-making. However, it may overwhelm managers with too many direct reports. Each structure has its own strengths and weaknesses, influencing communication patterns, decision-making processes, and overall organizational culture. Factors affecting organizational design. Several factors influence how an organization is designed. Strategy. The overarching goals of the organization dictate its design. For instance, a company focused on innovation may adopt a more flexible structure compared to one prioritizing efficiency. Environment. The external environment, including economic conditions, competition, and regulatory frameworks, affects organizational design. Organizations in stable environments may benefit from more rigid structures, while those in dynamic environments require adaptability. Technology. Advances in technology can necessitate changes in organizational design. For example, automation may reduce the need for certain roles while increasing reliance on data-driven decision-making. Size and life cycle. Organizational size impacts complexity. Larger organizations typically require more formal structures. Additionally, organizations evolve through life cycle stages. Example, startup, growth, maturity, each requiring different structural approaches. Culture. The values and norms within an organization shape its design. A culture emphasizing teamwork may favor a flatter structure that encourages collaboration. Importance of effective organizing. Effective organizing is crucial for several reasons. Efficiency. A well-organized structure minimizes redundancy and streamlines processes, leading to cost savings and improved resource allocation. Clarity. Clear roles and responsibilities enhance employee understanding of their tasks and reporting relationships, reducing confusion and conflict. Adaptability. An effective organizational design allows for quicker responses to changes in the market or internal dynamics, fostering resilience. Employee satisfaction. When employees understand their roles within an organized framework, job satisfaction often increases due to reduced frustration over unclear expectations. Effective organizing and thoughtful organizational design are essential for achieving strategic objectives and fostering a productive work environment. These concepts enables managers to create structures that align with their organization's goals while adapting to external pressures and internal dynamics.